大家好，我是 Martin, and this is a phrase a day English, brought to you by the Taichung Keda Language Center. Today's phrase is come rain or shine. Come rain or shine. You can translate this as 风雨无阻, or you could say 无论如何. To come rain or shine, or to do something come rain or shine, means to do something no matter what happens. You will do that thing. So it's a promise, a commitment to do something. It doesn't matter what the external conditions are. It could be raining, it could be sunny. You will do that thing 100%. For example, many of you will come up with an excuse for being late to my class, come rain or shine, right? Doesn't matter if it's raining, you have an excuse for being late. Even when it's sunny, you somehow have an excuse for being late. It's amazing. How does sunny make you late for class? I'll never understand. Anyway, I will give you 2 example sentences. Number 1. Come rain or shine, I will see you on Friday. Number 2. He will deliver your mail, come rain or shine. To do something, come rain or shine, means to do that thing no matter what else happens. So I will see you in class, come rain or shine. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.